when that time comes for us to recruit, we shall have to dig deeper in your background. If you have at any time been involved in criminal activities, the fingerprinting process automatically will detect and will bring you out. So mine is that avoid indulging in those activities if you ever dream of joining the KDF. Also avoid tattooing yourself, because we don't allow and we cannot recruit any person who has tattooed himself.